Good morning, everyone. Thanks for clicking on the video. As you can see, we are off on another adventure, and I've got a few friends with me. This video is going to be filmed and edited a lot different than the videos you may have seen on my channel in the past. I want to spend some quality time with my friends, and so it's going to be a lot less narrative and a lot more just quick video clips. So hope you enjoy this. We've got some hikes planned on a bald up here in the National Forest, and we have some routes planned, some overland routes planned on the Forest Service roads, and we have a nice meal planned for this evening over an open fire. So let me concentrate on this road. It's a little bumpy, so hope you stick around for the video. Have a great day. Well, my friends, this is going to conclude this episode of Forest Adventures with Scott. It was a great weekend. We had great weather up until last night, but everybody stayed warm and dry, so that's the key. So we will see you next time in the next adventure. Hope everybody stays well. Peace.